Now, hi everyone. You're wondering, is this winding clock series video? Well, actually, you're right. Today, we're gonna wind the Howard Miller westmont triple chime mantle clock. I need to replace it like the wall clock. And actually, this is my the favorite clocks in all shop. Not just of the case, the chime are awesome. So we gotta wind this thing. Here's the key. That's key for every clock in the shop. But we gotta wind this thing. Sorry guys, just to switch the hands. Um, sorry guys. This is very There's that hole now here. Alright. Sorry guys, but this is very complicated. There we go, we wind it. Let's see if it's chiming a little bit faster. Dun, 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 dun. And there. It's safe to switch back. But there. I finally make this video and thank you all for watching. Be sure to like down to the comments and that's it. So I don't need to anymore speak that, but bye guys.